Hey guys, it's Bridemilla and I'm back with another video. Today, we're going to be unboxing the November mystery box from Cricut and I'm super excited to see what's inside. Come along. Alright, I'm excited to dig inside this box. Let's see what we have today. Ooh, very bright in here. These are the glitter gel brights pen set. I'm excited to see what I can create with these. This is removable matte premium vinyl. It's a 12 by 48 turquoise. These will be good for wall decals. Permanent glossy premium vinyl. This is the bright sampler. So it has all 6 of these colors here in a 12 by 12. Next I have premium vinyl and permanent glossy in a 12 by 48. In yellow, and this yellow is super bright. I can see this being awesome on a car decal. Next up, the basic sampler is 6 12 by 12 sheets in all of these colors here. Next we have 12 by 48 of tomato red. Princesses open. Oh my gosh, and it's double-sided. They're so adorable. Look at that. Cool. The Avengers. It's double-sided again, and I am so excited. I think maybe an explosion box or something would be great with this paper. Oh look, it's Mickey Mouse and Friends. These are some really awesome prints.